In my video, I will provide you with help to get rid of the new ransomware called Killer Scala. Keep in mind that my video will be only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. In my video, I will show you the damaging effect of this ransomware and I will give you some recommendations on how you can possibly recover the files, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you to fully recover them. You can clearly see that before the ransomware's attack there are no any troubles opening any file types. So pictures, music files, video files, all documents can be opened easily without troubles. Unfortunately, due to some leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular Killer Skull ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. So it immediately reveals this ransom note titled as payment information. And this is the content of the ransom note. The ransomware changes the desktop background into this one and it appends a random 4-symbol extension to the file names. As a result, it is impossible to open the files anymore. In the ransom note, the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove the ransomware with Combo Cleaner by going to the website combocleaner.com, download the program, install the software, and then once it is successfully installed, start carefully researching your system. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues. And definitely, what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.